Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring animal balloons, unicorn and rabbit. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a unicorn balloon, starting with its face and its mouth like this. Then I draw its ears and its horn. Unicorn only has one horn, which is long on head. I continue to draw its neck and draw his two legs like this. Then I draw its mane. I draw its body like this. Finally, I draw its tail. Our unicorn balloon is almost done. Next to it, I draw a rabbit balloon, starting with two checks like this. Between the check, I draw its nose and its eyes. I continue to draw its ears. Rabbit balloon has two long ears. Then I draw rabbit's neck. I draw two front legs like this. Then I draw two hind legs. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Then I draw highlights for balloons like this. Let's start coloring. First, I use pink to paint unicorn balloon's horn and a part of its mane. Orange, yellow. Then I use green to paint, starting with its face. Then I color unicorn's ears. Color its neck. color a rubber balloon. For it, I use only one color. It's dark blue, starting with its ears. Then I color its cheek like this. Color its body. Our drawing is almost done. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!